What the fuck were they doing?
I got you, Nathan. Ball hit me.
Ball's in the back.
I think you got damage.
What did I do?
You killed him.
Yeah, it was probably just yeah.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Oh, this is when you stun the shit out of me.
Yeah.
A classic pin. That was awkward.
Yeah, so
Why do I keep facing these Sombras? They just aim for me. Nay, stay alive, I'm coming.
I missed my rock.
Aw, fuck me.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's going over the roof. Oh, okay, it's a 3 kill anyways. Okay, just I get push on that. Fucking.
Give me 1 second, give me 1 second.
I already died.
I ulted so they can't rush us, but
I didn't see the invincibility.
dude, JoJo's carrying us, I won't even lie. We're getting carried by a random.
What? What do you mean? What? What do you mean?
Getting carried by a random.
And I got play.
I threw my bomb. Why didn't it kill him? Fucking. Dude, we suck.
Don't worry, I'm on point.
We've been getting fucked up by this one
You
trick.
can't
this
kill this
entire-
bracer.
How am I not dead? How am I not dead? What the fuck is going on? How am I not dead? What is going on? What? Hello?
They would have a double Lucio.
How did? Why didn't she move?
Back anyway, I got health back too.
Oh.
Oh, no, I'm fucking around with their back line.
Me too.
I finally got those. Oh my god.
Sorry, I just gotta.
Yeah, they're peeking far.
Oh, that ball. Horrible timing.
We finally killed the Bastion.
Sorry, that's kind of BM. Hey, I got the thing stuck again. Let's go.
I'm going. I'm gonna die. Junkrat's weak. They have another Mercy somehow.
Did the Mercy ever die?
They have a hog.
They've always had a hog. I'm trying my hardest. Please. They just have a Widow just sitting up there. She is 1 health. There we go. Of course they get the perfect distraction character. I'm absorbing his bullets, guys. Get him, I'm absorbing.
Okay. Hello there.
How do they keep getting these perfect character distracted? Get off the point.
He just booped them off.
I undeafened to you guys fucking scream. You're like laughing your ass off.
Mate, I got you. Just stay there.
Hey, wouldn't it be funny if I just ulted right now?
What the fuck?
I didn't need to do that. That was just BM.
Nathan, behind you. Where's it? Oh, never mind. You're out of there.
Yeah.
No! What the fuck?
Doom's alone.
Yes, he was. Yes, he was.
He sacrificed himself.
I have 6 HP. I have 6 HP. I have 6 HP.
No, I still did not get his support.
I almost have all. James, did you boot her off the...
Yeah. Oh my god. This is just BM. What the fuck?
Still. Nice. What?
Sarah?
Oh, give me. Oh, I want to pin him in the corner.
Keck.
Where'd you go?
See ya.
Oh, nice. Oh.
Yeah, oh my god, that's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, James comes a lot during Overwatch.
No fucking way that just happened.
Dude. Oh, we got a brig now.
No. How am I alive? Oh. Oh my god, thank you, Bastion. I have 4 health.
Thanks for covering.
Thank you.
I have 2 bastions. They have a diva.
I feel so bad.
Oh, I gotta stop from healing. We just pushed them off.
Yeah, I never left.
There's a sim camping the pack on the right side where we go outside.
You want me to go get her?
I mean, James is already almost there, so I think you should join him.
Did you see what I? Did you see the kill feed?
James already kind of. He's there. He did it. You're useless. So unfortunate.
I feel so bad for that soldier.
Let's get him.
Mirror right side, mirror right side.
I'm gonna try to crack that Reaper Discord.
What?
What was she gonna do? Like
No.
What a time.
Was he in here? headshot. There we go.
Did he ult? Did you hear that?
I have no idea. Did he?
I just heard the you know when he's putting like the shrapnel in. I heard that.
Yeah.
I heard like just like that. I'm gonna click that.
I missed the headshot. There we go.
Did he ult?
Did he go? I felt like I was taking a lot more hits there.
What is up with my hand? What?
Oh, did you do the funny hand thing?
Yeah, like what is going on? Every time I
Oh,
shoot, it resets and it's just my hand is just left hand.
Yeah, I love that. That's really funny.
Let's go.
Let me see that signal.
Get fucked.
What?
It's at the very end. It's at the very end. Look at this. Look at this Zenyatta. Look how he doesn't show up on my screen like at all.
That's my fault. Jesus. Did you guys just trade?
Okay, there we go. Yep, see ya.
He dropped his juice boxes. Why is he going for me? No. It's cringe.
Oh, he just killed himself. Let's go. So
No.
we should try and get some sort of background instead of being like, or just run ahead. Okay, that's fine.
That's not.
Yeah. Okay, and he's dead. Go. Okay. 47. What the fuck?
Actually, 20k damage.
Mercy, you were awesome.
Alex,
He's gonna get old.
Alex, if I could, I would father your children.
Oh my god.
Quintuple.
I killed him.
I'm sitting there clipping that thing.
Oh my god! Oh, I just got fucked.
How did I die?
I just walked up to the
There's no way I lived that.
no, our
Mercy.
How's the Mercy still flying? Her ult is already gone.
I healed. I'm dying. I'm dying. Bastion, I don't know if that was worth it. Okay, it was kind of worth it. He got D.Va. Oh, wow. What the fuck is going on?
I just punched the Rhine through the shield and I killed it last second.
Oh, I can't heal. Alright, I'm gonna switch to Sigma. Actually, I'm gonna switch to Hog. I feel like if I can hook their Bastion. Ow. They already got a Clara.
Thank you, Mercy.
Do they have double Bastion? They have double Bastion. I'm done. And I died to a fucking Lucio.
Suicide.
Now I have to play fucking Sigma with his gross ass feet.
Both bastions down. Yeah, I can't do anything about the Pharah, but
Uh-oh.
oh, I'm so dead. Oh,
I'm eating that.
oh my god, that was so sick. I solo ulted the Sim.
But yeah, let's just let the Hanzo focus our fucking only support. That's crazy.
You've had a mech.
Little did that that Pharah know that that I know how to play soldier in Team Fortress too. I airshot them twice. be up here. They're far out.
I couldn't say anything. Oh, I know that was both of you. Why the fuck didn't I say anything? I tagged the Farah.
Where's the Farah?
She was left.
Found the Farah. I killed the Farah.
Oh. Let's fucking go.
What?
Solo. Yes.
Oh.
Oh,
let's get this back.
Yeah, let's just. Oh, Visaria! Okay.
Alright, that's what you're saying.
Okay, I'm going back to spawn for heals. Actually, wait. We have this in
They got another Zarya.
Oh, I just shut the
I did ult there because they pulled me. They have an Orisa that pulled me.
Gracious one. God damn it. Why do we have no support? We do. It's just not healing.
14 health. 14 health. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going back to spawn. Oh, I'm frozen. I'm frozen. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Summer hacked me. She's shooting me. Thank you.
I'm dead. I kind of popped off, huh?
Hit scan.
I was 20 player kill streak.
Away from me. I'm gonna flank them as Orisa. I'm gonna go for their Widow only. The moment a team gets a support, they lose. Or, like, they win. That Sigma turns into a support, we win.
That doesn't mean everyone back up. Unless they stay there.
It means someone's gotta help me.
He's low. He might recall to point.
Got her.
Never mind. They're all going left. Going left.
There's ends one, dead.
I'm dead.
You know what they call
Orisa.
I couldn't. That was really
Orisa and Torb going up.
Moira's also and then
Hog took me. You know, I don't know how to play characters, and you know this. I point and shoot. I point and shoot.
Echo flies? Oh yeah, Echo flies.
Come here, Orisa.
Who's on point?
Me holding on for it.
Going whole hog in that one. Mace just kind of WM1.
Okay. They just walked into the corner thinking I wasn't just gonna shoot at them. Like what?
And so.
Try to keep him back.
Well, turn around the corner.
Oh, there is.
They might push again.
And I have healings.
I was just repeating the healing.
That's
What was that? There ain't no fucking way I told you.
The autos are just dueling or auto lost.
No, I pressed right.
Oh my god!
Oh, what? Okay, goodbye, goodbye. No, you finished.
That was a hard prediction shot, I'm not gonna lie.
I see the sign coming and I do nothing about it every single time either.
No! I didn't see it. You went so far.
What's up, man?
I'm getting so low. Oh, see ya.
I hate auto. Oh, hey, come here, Jame.
Alright. I need a clip what just happened because that was fucking awesome.
Get away from James. Ryan, I got
right. He was at the back.
Well,
We should not have saved that.
that was.
Holy
Baited.
Bash it down. Nice.
As soon as we got under them, I was just waiting to see the Bastion, and as soon as I saw the Bastion, I just ulted.
Sometimes.
Oh, you bitches.
That was so sick. That was so sick, actually. What the fuck?
Hog is nuts.
Amazing W, I'm wanting.
Don't worry, I have a solution for this.
Going top, high ground, be careful, Guardian. Ryan's one.
I killed everyone but their Ana.
So James killed the hog and then he was able to play the game. That's crazy.
I killed the Ana.
Mercy's back to the spawn. Uh-oh. That was dangerous. Ryan's swinging at me.
Just push the rain, push the rain. You like that sleep?
There she gets kissed.
What the?
Not that I'm not that fond.
What? Hog? How did you get up there? What? Yeah, if you want to run middle, that's fine, 'cause you're well.
I got trapped.
You got trapped?
Oh, hello. Go.
I'm swinging.
Oh, they have a rat up there.
Chase their Ana. They don't have to save.
Junk is one. Nice.
Cool.
Nice.
Yada, really.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wait. Be that bubble.
I'm sorry. Fuck the bubble. I'm ulting. We're going right side.
Bastion's going high ground. Bastion's going high ground. Bastion's high ground. Bastion's high ground.
No, the Bastion soldier got me. I just got one.
No, me too.
Oh, well, we lost our competition.
No. You get Bastion.
I got what? How was that a triple? Let's go! Actually, okay.
Sorry again.
Not anymore. Friendship can hurt.
I got you guys. McCree's flanking us. Nice, that's it. There's one. Ah, tank. Oh wait, we got duck. Wait, what? Also have the cat profile picture.
Hey, duck.
Yeah.
I got a bone to pick with you.
Oh shit, I didn't even read. Okay, hi.
Hello. I am also duck.
You both have the cat profile picture and it confused the shit out of me.
I'm uncomfortable. And then Sergeant quit. Oh my god. No thanks.
Duck squad.
Duck squad.
Damage boosted Hanzo along with an Nano Winston and an Ana. All on my head.
Oh, yeah, I
Yep. Oh my god.
What?
Okay.
Uh-oh.
What? That animation was weird. I'm gonna just say it. That was weird.
I'm seeing they're dying.
These guys are so unorganized.
No, there's no reason for me to do that.
Like, it's not very clear that you two are better than these guys, but it's like,
I feel so bad for the Orion, and I just keep going. Why is that Mercy just get away like for Okay, watch this. Fucking
I have never seen a video for Overwatch on YouTube. Not once.
Oh, I win this. Let's go. Oh, get this MF Ryan. I'm so toxic.
That all made sense. That wasn't a toxic lie. It is.
Got old.
Like I said, you guys are just better than bronzes because we play gold and silver.
Oh my.
He's punching the air right now. He's I love how the mercy gets on that every time the vine turns to
Yeah. Someone's gonna try backflip for me. Oh no, they're gone. Oh my god.
clothes off.
Like the sauce sitting on top of it, you know?
For those of you who live
Wait.
in our area, Bertucci's box. Nobody bought.
What? Did you hear me ult? Wait, did you hear me ult? Like primal?
But not my other client.
I gotta see this. Hold on, that should bring about. There we go.
No, okay.
Uh-oh.
Eddie's semblance of a
Are you stupid? Yes.
I may be stupid.
That was the
I don't know, I'd have to respect you. Because you're so dumb, I don't have to. It's so great. I just want you to know that's where my head's at.
Honestly.
He's just mad because he got no hose.
Bastion, back
Why
to
is there
right.
still
Why did I expect that to turn every time?
No! Gosh, worry about I better get play the game for that.
Bash is literally camping in his spawn.
Good round.
I'm fighting. Carl.
This motherfucker go.
No.
Who was it?
Why is the dragon just? Oh.
Hey James, you almost died, idiot.
On the land.
Oh fuck.
Okay. Hold on.